Hola amigos, I have a bike check. This is my something or other Kink. I bought off some sexy Mexican. And well, let's start from the back of my rear. Once I got the stock wheels, which are flat currently, because I fucked up doing something, I don't know. I got Alienation rims, and then I got a stock peg, and if you come forward, I got a regular like bike chain, and I got an Eastern Sprocket 25 tooth, stock cranks, which are a lot of not the same color. I got a purple, blue and orange pedal, Oddyssey, and then I got the stock seat, Kink, and stock seat post and seat clamp. And then you come to the front of the bike, I have GT bars, because my old bars are shit. I got ODI grips, blue ODI grips, ODI Barends, Kink, the stock stem for now, stock forks, Animal Butcher front peg, Alienation rim, and a stock tire. I plan to get new parts though.
Oh yeah,